Now we are going to learn some basic expressions in Spanish. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to pronounce these bold letters and we have the meanings. Then we will have a little
Okay.
conversation.
Okay. Hola.
Hola, hola. Because
Bien.
H is always silent. H is always silent.
Okay. Okay. H is always silent.
Mhm.
Okay. Hola.
Hola, hola.
Buenos dias.
Buenos días. Buenos
Buenos
días.
dias. Dias. Right? Okay. And Buenos
Hmm.
tardes.
Hmm.
Buenos noches.
No, 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 no. Buenas
Okay.
tardes, buenas noches.
Okay.
Buenos días,
Buenas
buenas
tardes.
tardes, buenas noches. Hmm.
Okay. Buenos dias. Buenas
Hmm.
tardes. Buenas noches.
Hmm.
Okay. Then
Hasta.
hasta, luego.
Luego. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hmm.
Hasta pronto.
Pronto.
To.
To. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Hasta luego and hasta pronto.
Hmm.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Okay.
Hmm.
Gracias.
Hmm.
Muchas.
No, 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 no.
Muchas.
Muchas.
No, no, no.
Muchas. Muchas
Muchas.
gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Okay.
Muy bien. De
Okay.
nada.
Uh, de nada and adios.
Adiós.
Adios. Okay.
Vale. Hola,
Okay.
hola Shruti.
Hola.
Buenos días, Shruti.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Muy bien. Buenas tardes, Shruti.
Buenas tardes.
Tardes. Sí, sí, buenas tardes.
Okay. Okay, I have a
Buenas
question.
noches. Please, please.
Okay. Okay. Buena, like the second one is buenos and the third one is buenos, but the meaning is same, na? Good, good.
But I can I can tell you what is that. Listen, in
Okay.
Spanish, okay, there are two
Okay.
kind of there are two kind of noun. The first one is actually we have categorized in genders like male and female. Okay,
Okay.
I'll tell you later about maybe in the next session about how to say that, right? Because if I talk about a pen, okay, so pen is there are two words of pen. So the first one is pluma. Pluma is female, and boligrafo is male. Pencil is el lapis. So that is male.
Allah please.
So every gender has a noun in Spanish. Okay, every noun, I mean,
Okay.
every noun has a gender. Like, for example, if I talk about chair, chair is female, la silla. Table is female, la mesa. So here you can see that dia. Dias is male, el dia. So that's why I have used here buenos dias. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
tardes is female. Tarde means la tarde. So tarde is female. So we are using buenas. Right.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Now I'll explain you in articles when we do articles, na? Like where to use
Hmm.
articles in because articles very must it is very necessary to use in Spanish than English, right? So that's why
Okay.
buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches.
Okay.
Okay, now repeat after me. Hasta luego,
Okay.
Shruti.
Okay. Hasta luego.
Hasta pronto, Shruti.
Hasta pronto. Gra
Gracias, Shruti.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
De nada and
Adiós.
adios. Okay.
Muy bien. Now, can you pronounce
Okay.
on your own?
Okay. Hola. Días.
Hi, I'm Apurva. I have completed my Spanish from Fluent Fast Academy. Here the teachers are cooperative and teach very well. The atmosphere of here is good. Fluent Fast Academy is the best institute to learn Spanish. Thank you.
Buenas tardes, buenas noches,
Mm.
hasta luego, hasta pronto, gracias, muchas gracias, de
Mm.
nada, and adios.
Muy bien.
Okay.
Vale. Vale means okay. Vale means okay.
Okay. Vale.
Now,